Question number 8. Sin x to the power x. இந்த இடத்துலயும் ரெண்டு function இருக்கு. So I have, this is my p and this is my q. You have to notice that here I have a inverse function. Okay, அதனால derivative வந்து different எடுக்கணும். So this is my y. So I have dy by dx is going to be dp by dx plus dq divided by dx. இது வந்து basic. Okay, now p is equal to sin x to the power x. So when I take log on both sides, log b is going to be log of sin x to the power x. Log p equal to the power comes down. So x times log of sin x. u v irukka. So this is my u, this is my v. So u x v is going to be log of sin x. Understand that you have a bracket here. Log kulla or function irukku. So u dash is going to be 1. V dash is going to be log x or a derivative 1 by x. But I have a sin x. d by dx of sin x is going to be cos x. Cos x by sin x and a cot x. So this is my v dash. So enna go 1 by p dp by dx equals v u dash plus uv dash. V u dash plus uv dash. So v u dash and a log of sin x times 1 plus uv dash, which is x times cot x. dp by dx is going to be p times, which is sin x to the power x times log of sin x plus x cot x. Okay, so this is my dp by dx. இப்போ q கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So q equals sin inverse of root x. Taking sin on both sides, what I have? Sin q equals root x. இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கா? So இந்த இடத்துல log function எடுக்கணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. So what do I have here? d by dx எடுத்தா sin ஓட derivative is going to be cos q times dq divided by dx equals d by dx of root x, which is going to be 1 by 2 root x. கரெக்டா? இப்போ next step என்ன? Cos q times dq divided by dx equals 1 by 2 root x. அவ்வளவுதான். x தான் இருக்கு. அதனால you don't have to further simplify this. So what is my dq by dx? It is going to be 1 by 2 root x times cos q னு இருக்கு. இப்போ cos க்கும் sin க்கும் என்ன relation தெரியும்? You know that sin square q plus cos square q equals 1. So cos q equals square root of 1 minus sin square q. Sin square q na enna? It is going to be root x the whole square. So root x the whole square. So this is going to be square root of 1 minus x square. So this is my cos q. Ida substitute panna enna agum? I'll have equals 1 divided by 2 root x times square root of 1 minus x square. So this is my dq by dx. So ipo sum enna? My dy by dx going to be? It is going to be the sum of these two. So dy by dx is going to be sin x to the power x of log of sin x plus x cot x plus dq by dx, which is 1 by 2 root x of root of 1 minus x square. Okay, you can also write this particular term like this, 1 by 2 root of x into 1 minus x square. இந்த மாதிரியும் எழுதலாம். Okay, so this is equivalent to this. You can write this like this also. Okay, so this is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 9. Again, two different terms. So this is going to be my p. This is going to be my q. So dy by dx. And this whole thing is going to be my y. நான் இதை y in equate பண்ண போறேன். So dy by dx is dp by dx plus dq divided by dx. As simple as that. So p equals x to the power sin x. Taking log on both sides. Log p equals log of x to the power sin x. The power comes down. This particular power comes down. So I'll have log p equals sin x times log x. Product arka u v. So u is going to be sin x. V is going to be log x. U dash is sin or derivative cos x. V dash log x or derivative 1 divided by x. Okay. Y illa p illa வேற எந்த வேரியபிளும் இல்ல. So it is simply 1 by x. d by dx, dy by dx எல்லாம் எதுவுமே கிடையாது. So this is v u dash plus uv dash. Product la irka. So I'll have log p or derivative 1 by p dp divided by dx equals v u dash, which is log x times cos x plus uv dash. So sin x times 1 divided by x. So dp by dx is going to be p times, which is x to the power sin x times log x cos x plus sin x divided by x. So this is dp by dx. Now q enna? Q is going to be sin x to the power of cos x. Taking log on both sides, log q equals log of sin x to the power cos x. So the power comes down. This particular power comes down. So I'll have log q equals cos x times log of sin x. uv formula again. So this is my u, this is my v. So u is going to be cos x, u dash is going to be minus sin x. Okay, derivative is the correct edunga. V is going to be log of sin x. So v dash is going to be 1 divided by sin x. Sin x or derivative cos x. Okay, d by dx of sin x panano. So cos by sin is going to be cot x. Okay, so vu dash uv dash again. So what will I have? 1 by q times d by dx of q is going to be vu dash, which is log of sin x, u dash and minus sin x plus uv dash, which is cos x into cot x. So this is simply dq by dx is q times, which is sin x to the power cos x of log of sin x minus log of sin x times sin x plus cos x cot x. So what is my final answer? dy by dx is going to be the sum of the two answers that I just got. So dy by dx is going to be dp by dx plus dq by dx. In the particular term adichilla. So dp by dx plus dq by dx. So I'll just simply copy paste. Okay, you write the final answer. dq by dx. So copy and paste. Okay. So this plus this. So this is my final answer. Okay. Please copy.